natin yung like a French squid with seafood sauce by night one medium. It's 150 baht. 150 baht. So ito na yung sauce niya. And okay, so we're gonna try it.
Kaya mo yan.
I guess.
Ala, sabi mo.
Wait lang. Try natin.
Si Wal?
Ay! Kaya ka nagbibuyakan niya. Okay, let's go.
Ala.
Aroy. Perfect. Naima! Masarap siya, promise. You know, so we're gonna try this. Oh my gosh, it's 100 big cup, 100 baht. So ito na ito-try natin ngayon after nung squid. Fried insects. 80 baht yung small cup.
Samo, okay.
Small.
Samo can creamy.
So yan yung binili namin is yung silkworm. And then, ang di cricket and grasshopper. Yeah.
Set pa sa atin.
Okay, ito nakabili na tayo ng ng silkworm, grasshopper. Grasshopper ba? Tsaka ito. Hindi yan.
Yan, lupa.
Cricket. I don't know. Ay, pupa. Okay, so first natin you try is yung cricket. Ito. Ew. Ay, sarap lang. Ito yung cricket to.
Hi.
First.
Susungkot na.
สั่งได้นะคะไฟ
Parang nagpasarap yung seasoning. I like it. Promise. Next is itong pupa? Pupa. Ito siya.
สวัสดีค่ะสั่งได้นะคะไฟเส้นแถวนี้ใครอยู่ว่าอยู่ในอีเวนต์
Like, ayoko nun. Ayoko nun. Ito na lang. Itong worm na to.
Silkworm.
Silkworm. Hindi ka naman ata. Parang yung cricket lang yung okay sa akin. The other, hindi na ano. Parang